Good morning.
Hi, good morning, Bali. So today we are in Pantai Kedonganan Seafood Center. So this is next to that's behind me is the airport, and this beach Pantai Kedonganan is famous for the seafood market. So later on we will explore. Will show you maybe this Pantai Kedonganan already. Few times we are here, but today
First time at morning. Usually we had afternoon time when it's sunset time when many people coming to having fish by the beach. But at morning, all the fishermen's coming here to starting to selling the fishes. So it's a little bit different than usual.
ooh la la, look at the plastic rubbish here. Oh my gosh.
Just little plastic, sayang.
This is not little, but it's huge rubbish
No, just the
plastic.
little morning plastic lah. It's okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go see the fishes and the people working here anyway. So
Imagine this plastic from the ocean and the fish, all the ocean creatures eating the plastic, and then all the fish. I don't know, I cannot imagine for that. So the fish eat the plastic, and then we buy the fish, and the human also eat the plastic. So guys, this is what I explained you about the rubbish that coming from the ocean, and behind me the fisherman just came from the ocean and they got the fish, and then later on we will go to the fish market and buying the fish, and we eat it every day. So indirectly, if we see the food chain, we eat plastic. We also consume plastic, right? So let's go to the water. Oh. So this is how the water on the ocean look like when you wash away. Plastic washed away. Oops. Plastic straws. Oh. Okay guys, so now we will go to the fish market, the traditional fish market, and let's see. Yeah. Ooh.
a lot of fish here. Check this out, and a lot of people. Many nice fishy and many nice people. And I hope so there is no plastic inside the fish, but after that very nice.
So imagine if we buy this kind of big, huge fish, inside the plastic in it.
Hello, nice tuna. Yeah, very nice. Thank you. It's very nice. A little show you how it looks inside the market. Maybe not much commentary today, just sounds of the market will be nice, I guess. A lot of fishy everywhere. Look at this big tuna over there.
Okay, so if you go to this market in the morning, so you will see that the fresh fish from the ocean, and they will sell it there. But they normally only sell the smaller fish and also some big fish. But now let's go there inside. There will be many varieties of fish. So let's go.
To the building, right? To the
Yeah.
normal market. So we are going to the building now. Oh, slippery, you have to be careful, nearly fall down. Check this out, these big heads of the fish. More often I showed you inside. At morning they are more stocking up.
Oh, look at
Usually.
this one. Kerapu. Berapa kilo? Oh.
Crapo. I
Oh.
think at afternoon is more busy, yeah?
Yeah, so
At
many.
morning is like stocking up. But at afternoon, people coming to having this fish and having a barbecue or grill or whatever you
look at the
call
red
this.
snapper.
Red snapper.
I don't know guys, after I saw the plastic rubbish in the ocean, And then
No
whenever I
plastic.
touch this, I feel like maybe the plastic inside, or maybe I don't know, something inside.
Dear, problems of 21st century, right?
Look, the big fish. Ooh.
Look at this fish. I don't know what is it, but it's big. Okay. And little lobster here also, if you like it.
Here is the world famous seafood market where they sell the fresh seafood. I mean fresh fish, lobsters, something like that. And then you can buy the veggies, and also there are many warungs, yeah. And then after you buy your fish, you also can grill it or you can cook it in the some warung. But unfortunately, like some of the warungs are still closed in the morning, but most of them, they just open at lunchtime in the afternoon. So yeah, I think that last time we also recorded when we grill it after we buy it. But today, I don't know why, after I see so many plastic rubbish, and I don't know, it's just in my mind maybe, I feel like I don't want to buy it.
So many fisherman boats, and as you can see maybe in the background, everywhere they are smoking rubbish at morning. Yeah, that's how it looks at morning actually right now, right? And little bit of the local life outside from the parking area. There is the market where we were in the building, and they're even selling some Spider-Man balloons, some cassava chip. And this is like a parking area, and the other side of the street there is the market with the fish, what we showed you at the beginning of the video today, but we forgot to show you from the outside, so why not to show you one more time. You will see how does it look like. Always happy to show local life in Bali. Everything is beautiful just except this rubbish, right? But after that is very nice local vibe in Jimbaran. And the beautiful weather actually today, really beautiful weather this. And also most of the warungs here are still closed at morning. If you wanna have a grilled fish, you have to come here afternoon, definitely not at morning, guys.
Alright guys, so this is how it is in Pantai Kedonganan, Jimbaran. So in the morning there are lots of plastic rubbish and everything. So I was thinking to buy fish to take home and cook. But yeah, I just changed my mind. So yeah, and look at behind. This is how it's the plastic, and behind is many seafood restaurant. I hope that the restaurant owner later on will clean the rubbish. This is how it is in the morning. When you normally come in the afternoon, maybe it's already clean. But yeah, this is the clear picture, the clear image when it's morning time. I think that's all our video today, local life. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!